Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your comments in Instagram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get to our topic. And open up Instagram on your phone and then go to your page. And next, in the top right corner, click on these three bars right here. And then, your activity. And comments. And so that will take you to a list of all the comments that you've ever left on Instagram. And you can also sort them by date, for example. Also, you can sort them by person. If you want to find comments that are left to a specific person, also comments from Facebook. And let's say if you've scrolled through and found a comment that you'd like to delete, click on it, and you'll immediately see your comment. It will be highlighted in blue, as you may have just seen. In order to delete it, you just have to swipe from the right side to the left side. And you can, in one swipe just like that, delete it. If you come back, that comment will no longer be there. Or you can, for example, you can also swipe. Now just a second, to your comment. Swipe a little bit until you see a list like this. And then you click on the trash can sign. And in the same way, the comment will immediately be deleted. And if you see comments still here in your comment list when you exit, then re-enter the comments, this information will be updated, and after that you will not find this comment in the list. Friends, this is how you can delete your Instagram comments very easily. I hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.